Fraserway RV, your vehicle to adventure, presents our RV rental video series. In this segment, we will take a look at an RV that lets you explore nature on your own terms, the Overlander. This unique four-wheel drive diesel motorhome sleeps 4 adults and 2 children, and one of the newest addition to our rental fleet. This motorhome is equipped with a backup camera, also features a tow and haul mode to safely drive the vehicle up and down hills with ease. This RV features 4 front-facing seats with 3-point seat belts that securely fastens your passengers during your on-road adventure. Another special feature is the convenient access tunnel between the cab and the camper. With the simple touch of a button, the slide-out instantly creates extra living space for you and your passengers. Fit all of your camping needs in the exterior storage compartments, and extra storage cabinets are available inside. Stock your fresh groceries in your refrigerator, fully equipped with a separate freezer compartment. Heat up snacks in no time with the built-in microwave. And with the propane stove and oven, the possibilities are endless with what you can create in this kitchen. The Overlander comes with a roof air conditioner and thermal pane windows to keep out heat in the summer. It also features a powerful but quiet ceiling fan to help circulate the air, or let the fresh air breeze through insect-free with the built-in screen attached to the door. When you open the door, steps are automatically deployed for easy access from the rear entrance. This motorhome features a large skylight that fills the inside with natural light during the day and excellent for viewing starry skies at night. Feel free to experience Canada's natural wonders through your large panoramic windows from inside the motorhome. Keep your passengers entertained with the Bluetooth-enabled stereo and have your mobile electronics stay charged with the USB and 12-volt charging ports, both available in this motorhome. This RV is equipped with solar panels and a generator to keep your motorhome and appliances powered off-grid. With the press of a button, the awning provides an extended covered outdoor living space. When it gets darker, turn on the LED lighting to continue the fun. Take a hot shower in this large ventilated bathroom and turn on the propane furnace to stay warm and cozy. When you're ready for bed, this motorhome can be converted into 4 separate sleeping areas. 1 large bed with storage located over the cab, a convertible sofa bed with an extra bunk bed that can be automatically lowered from above, and an easy-to-convert bed located at the dinette. With these features, let the Overlander provide a sense of unbound freedom as your vehicle for your Canadian adventure. Every Fraserway RV rental can come with an optional convenience kit for a hassle-free adventure. Learn more about our RV rental fleet through this video series or browse our website at fraserwayrvrentals.com to find the perfect vehicle for your RV holiday. And remember to choose Fraserway RV Rentals for a worry-free RV adventure.